Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau training. In this lecture, I will be explaining how to install a Tableau into your desktop into your PC. For that, we need to open the browser and enter tableau.com. In the rightmost corner, we have Try Now. Click on it. Then it will take us to Tableau Desktop. Start your free 14 days trial. Only a version will be valid for 14 days in your PC. After 14 days, if we uninstall and reinstall also, it will not work. So enter your business email ID and then start downloading. I have already downloaded. This is the 64-bit version. So click on it. Accept the terms and conditions, then install. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. And once it completes, it will ask for the user registration. So it's a basic account creation information. Enter that one to activate your Tableau desktop. Okay, I have already done it. That's why I'm not able to show that one. I'll show you how the Tableau desktop version looks like in the beginning. Once you open the Tableau icon, it looks like this. The way the leftmost side connect and then open, then discover. So this is how we can install the Tableau desktop into your local PC. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.